What's up, y'all? Just got this new reel in. Went to Walmart. They got this new Abu Garcia vintage reel and ride combo. Want to see if we can come out today. See if we can just grab. See if we can catch us a little something today. So hope y'all guys enjoy the video. Hopefully we can get some for today, man. And, yeah, we out here up at this little pond today. I had the little pond. It's a little cool. Wind blowing a little bit. We're gonna see if we can get a little something going on. But yeah, go ahead and get this. Go ahead and get they started up. See what we can get. Got on the Grass Hero with a little raised tail trailer on the back of it. Ooh, that was hold on. They get that fixed up. I forgot to adjust real quick. I forgot to adjust my guy real quick. Let's see if we can get this out real quick. I did put on some new line on it because it came with some line, but you know that line that it come with don't really be all that. So I went ahead and just threw a little bit of extra line on it. And I completely just forgot to adjust it before I cast it just then. Okay, there we go. Walk on back down. Just this real quick. Get off of that stick. Let me try this again. Okay, that's a lot better. I'll make a couple more adjustments to it throughout it while I'm casting it. Just trying to see how this is the best way to get it through there good. Loosen that up a little bit. I loosened up a little bit more. Trying to be able to cast it to the whole other side. You know. Get a good little cast going on. Know somebody around here wanna hit them. I ain't even picked it. They don't even care if it is a small one that wanna bite today. I ain't even too picky today. I ain't been out fishing in a while, so yeah. Got on like 14 pound monofilament. I think it's trailing. I got on trailing. However you say it. We got on that. We got on that line. Well, yeah, it's 14 pound monofilament. Just trying to see if we can get some that want to bite on us today. Saying something just ran. Not sure if it was a big one or a little one though, but I seen something running. Lost my reel out of my hand just in. I lost the whole reel out of my hand. I ain't seeing nothing single through here. Go keep casting though. gonna go around the pond a couple of times, just seeing what we can throw out, seeing what we can get a reaction from, really. Or go around it one time with the Grass Hero, then go change it up, probably change it over to something else. Thought we had some good in, it was a rock. Oh yeah, we got him now. We got it dialed in now. That was a good cast. That was a good one now. We're gonna go and change over to something else real quick. Where my lighter went? Did I leave it in the car? I think I did. Yeah, I left it in the car. Dang it. Thought I brought it down here with me. We went over here and grabbed the lighter real quick because I can't cut the line with nothing. I don't have nothing really to cut the line with. Like I said, we're going to have to run back up to the car real quick. We got it changed out, so we finna go ahead and throw on one of these lunker logs, black and blue. See if anybody want to hit this, since they didn't want to hit that since then nobody want to hit the other thing we had on. So trying to see, did I have a small, like a bullet weight up in here? I don't think I do though. Nah, we ain't got no bullet weight. Be alright. We'll just go weightless with it then, I guess. Forgot I needed to go and get me some more bullet weights. Actually, I forgot all about that. It should give me enough weight with it though, as it is, honestly. It got a little decent weight to it. Plus we got some kind of thin lines, so it should give us what we need. Should give us what we need. It's enough. I'm gonna throw right up in there. That's what I'm saying I'm at, so I'm gonna throw. Alright, hold on. It didn't go in the direction I wanted it to. It didn't go in the direction I wanted them to, so let's retry that. Okay. Whoa. Stick caught me just then. Did not see that. I did not see that stick center. That joker went for a slide just then. Almost did a split. Oh boy, that stick caught me. I did not see that stick center. I went for a ride, y'all. There you go. Yes, sir, there you go. Knew it would be one sitting up in there. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Come here, guy. Get up here. Yes, sir. I knew it would be one sitting up in there. Yes, sir. Good Lunker Log. Got him on the Lunker Log, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, a little nice one too. Yes, sir. Ooh, that hook came right out. Ooh, boy. Yes, sir. He a little chunky guy too. He a little nice little chunky guy. Yes, sir. Got us one for the day. He cold too, boy. That water cold. That water is cold. Yes, sir. He a nice one though. Little chunky guy. Yeah, he a little chunky guy. Yes, sir, baby. We got us one on the Lunker Log. Good Lunker Log, baby. Yes, sir. Let you go by in this little cliff. Little cliff spot. Yes, sir. Woo! He rocks, boy. The rocks and these sticks, they trying to get me today. But they ain't gonna get me. No, sir, can't let you get me. Not today. Not today. I really didn't think I had got a good hook set on them, honestly. There's one for the day. Yes, we needed that. Been on the water in a little while, man. Yes, sir. We got our first one of the year. First fish of the year. Yes, sir. And that's our second trip around. We got one. That's about it. Getting kind of sun's starting to go down a little. We only had like an hour or so to fish real, so we go. Might have to call it for today. If we can't get another one to bite. We'll throw up around here real quick. Throw up in the little grass area. Probably one sitting up through here somewhere. Probably a little small one, hopefully. I would sure think it was gonna be another one sitting up around their little side up over here. But don't look like it gonna be one up on either. Be another one up on either side looking right. That one just through now. That thing through. That thing been the either went through it. Let's go ahead and throw on another one real quick before we do head out. Alright, man. Think that go be it for today, y'all. Think that go be it. Go ahead and lock that back on here real quick. Got one in though, you know what I'm saying? Just glad we got one for the day. It wasn't that big, but hey, can't always get all of the big ones every time. Then again, it ain't really too much of like some big ones in this one. I think the biggest one probably like a little bit bigger than what that one was that I have gotten out of this pond actually. But yeah. Well, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all had some fun with me. But if you enjoyed the video, you know what I'm saying? You know what to do. Like it, subscribe, and share the video out, man. Also, soon we're gonna be doing another giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe for that. Make sure that your notifications are turned on for my channel as well. Other than that, I ain't really got much else for y'all. But hope you guys enjoy y'all day, man. It's your boy Trip B. We out here, man.
Black boy, you killed me with that trap, man.